The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado marks a new era for Toyota's legendary off-road SUV. Built for adventure yet refined for urban driving, the new Prado combines rugged capability with modern technology and premium comfort. With a bold redesign, powerful engine options, and advanced safety features, the latest model aims to uphold the Land Cruiser's reputation while embracing modern innovations. Exterior design. The 2025 Prado sports a more aggressive and boxy design, inspired by its larger sibling, the Land Cruiser 3 Series. The front grille is larger and more pronounced, flanked by sleek LED headlights. Its squared-off wheel arches, muscular stance, and high ground clearance emphasize its off-road prowess. Toyota also introduces new color options and stylish alloy wheels, giving it a fresh yet rugged look. Interior. Inside, the Prado offers a perfect balance of luxury and durability. The redesigned cabin features high-quality materials, an ergonomic dashboard layout, and advanced technology. A large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage, while digital driver displays and premium leather upholstery elevate the driving experience. The spacious cabin ensures maximum comfort, with available third-row seating for larger families or travel enthusiasts. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Prado is expected to offer multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 2.4L hybrid powertrain for better fuel efficiency and torque. A diesel variant may still be available in select markets, catering to off-road and towing needs. The full-time 4WD system, improved suspension, and selectable drive modes ensure the Prado remains a dominant force on any terrain. Toyota's new TNGA-F platform enhances both stability and handling, making it smoother on highways and unstoppable off-road. Safety features. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Prado with its latest Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system. These features ensure a safer driving experience, whether on highways or rugged trails. Market position. The 2025 Prado continues to compete with the Land Rover Defender, Ford Everest, and Jeep Grand Cherokee, offering Toyota's legendary reliability with modern tech. It remains a top choice for adventure seekers, overlanders, and families wanting a dependable, go-anywhere SUV. Outro. With a bold redesign, hybrid powertrain options, and improved technology, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is set to maintain its reputation as a reliable, capable, and versatile SUV. Whether tackling extreme terrains or cruising in urban environments, the new Prado stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to durability, innovation, and performance.